Are you in the hard-boiled market and your cooler room too full? You might want to pay attention to what Roaring Creek did. They tested one of our fans in their cooler room to try to get the air more even, and it worked, and they went ahead with a whole project of about a dozen of them.
Testing before we decided to go with it. The eggs were taking 18 to 20 days to dry, and we got down 12, 14 on the average. The main objective is just to get air transfer through the egg.
So there you heard it. They're just trying to get air transfer through the egg, and then they want it consistently the whole way throughout the whole cooler room. Put them in kind of tight. It was actually every 33 foot for 18-foot fans, which is relatively close, but that allowed all the air to push down between the pallets and get a more uniform air mix throughout the whole room. So overall, if you're looking for something like that, give us a call, because we enjoy unique challenges, and they tested one fan and it worked. So we went across the whole room. So overall, about a dozen fans. The blades are 18 inches from the ceiling, 33 feet apart, and it's getting them a 2-week time in there instead of 3. So give us a call. Here's our contact information, and we'd be happy to help you. We can even get you in contact with Roaring Creek if you'd like to talk with them directly or talk with their hard-boiled outfit.